The TPH Roof Riser Brackets Kit is crafted from high-quality metal with a powder coating, ensuring exceptional durability and resistance to corrosion even in adverse weather conditions. Its advanced design allows for versatile adjustments, accommodating wood at various mounting angles and directions, which enhances the structural integrity of your pergola or gazebo. Installation is straightforward, as the open half-post design fits different sizes of wooden posts, eliminating the need for a complex installation process. The kit includes flange hex screws and anti-slip nuts, providing stable support and ensuring that your structure remains secure over time. These brackets are perfect for a wide range of applications, including balconies, terraces, and parks, offering reliable protection from harsh weather. Overall, the TPHUC Roof Riser Brackets Kit is an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor living space with sturdy and reliable support.